What's up, guys? It's your boy Incel Gaming, and today we're gonna be doing a video on Snow Shoveling Simulator. Oh god, the boss is spawned. I don't have that thing yet. We're gonna do a video on Snow Shoveling Simulator. This is my cousin. He recently, yeah, I'm on a call with him. So yeah. This is his Roblox character. He used to he used to have a different character, but he forgot the password because he's dumb. And he had Robux on there, but now he doesn't have Robux.
Dumb.
Yes, you are.
I literally told you that someone hacked it.
No, you didn't. I'm gonna go get my car. Just go get my car, and then I'm gonna go do some plowing. And grab my car. It's right there. Spawn. Actually, no. I want a white car. Spawn. Close that. Okay, this is my car right here. That glitched out arrow. Oh. Let me get in. Where is? Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. I need the jets. I need one of those.
I need so much snow.
I need to get some snow. Just get some snow with my car over here. This car is way better on the VIP server.
The car that you use on your friend's VIP server?
Yeah, like this car, the big car, is way better on my friend's VIP server.
It's so much easier to use.
No, like it's like this snow collection's better for some reason. Collect snow better, but you're not friends with one of my friends, so yeah. Some random person's calling me. Okay, so hold up. Let me turn you on speaker. There you go. Okay. Braylon?
Yeah?
Oh, okay. Where are you? You know how to get, you're doing
You randomly picked up a random person's call?
No. I don't answer the calls. Are you doing a mission right now?
No, I'm not doing a mission. I'm just collecting snow right now.
Missions give you money. I suggest you do a mission.
I need to get better stuff to do a mission. Look at the stuff that I have right now. I look like a noob.
Because you're one. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but yeah. I'm on a call with my cousin. Do a mission, like they give you money.
I know, but when I get better stuff, like a better backpack and a better shovel, then I'm gonna do a mission.
Hold up, how much snow can your backpack hold?
550.
Legit, you can do one of the missions. There's a mission that you have to like dig up someone's driveway, and you have to dig up 400 snow with the driveway from the driveway, and you could do it.
I can't collect the snow from the driveway.
Yes, you can.
No, with a shovel?
Yeah. I'm not talking about like the street. I'm talking right in front of their garage. Look, like.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
The snow over here. You can collect that snow, Sinjor.
I know that. That's what I'm collecting.
Yeah, do a mission.
Okay. Begin. Gather 30,000 snow from anywhere. No, that's not the quest that I want. Cancel. Your quest has been canceled.
And the what?
I'm gonna begin another.
Yeah, cause you don't know, you can't do that.
Gather 5,000 snow from big fucking log. No, thank you.
Yeah, you can't do that either, cause you don't have a car. Why are all of these for cars?
Collect 500 ice from anywhere.
Ice?
I can do that.
Ice or snow?
It says ice.
You can't do that. You see where it says toggle? When you press that snowflake, you see where it says toggle?
Yeah.
Turn the ice one off.
Off?
You see where it says toggle? Make sure
Okay.
there's
Yeah, turn it off.
don't put it. Make sure there's not a check where it says ice.
Okay.
Cause then it'll do missions that you need something special for those. You need to get the ski to go to another part of the map that you can't go to yet.
Collect 200 snow from the walkway of house 7 blue.
I know what that is.
Okay. Wait, let me sell my snow first because I have a lot of snow.
Legit, all you need is 200 space, and the blue house is legit right here.
Wait, that one?
Yeah, the blue house. Right next to Pengu's what? That guy's getting so much snow from his thing, and I'm getting legit barely any snow. I've been legit going through in my car for the past 7 minutes and gotten only 5,000.
5,000 only?
Yeah.
And how come that guy got so really fast?
I don't know. That's weird. And he has the same car as me. It's weird.
Mhm.
Run right through this guy. Dude, where are you going?
I don't know where I'm going.
Do you want me to show you where the blue house is?
I already remember where it is.
You remember where it is?
Yeah, it's beside Frosty.
No.
Yeah, it's right over there.
Where are you?
Like Frosty is right here, and then when you just go straight and then you look to the side, then you see the blue house right over there.
Yeah, don't you need to go to the blue house?
So
So
I'm so much snow.
All I have to do is this. Oh my god, I found a glitch and it's amazing.
Frosty is too big to have this much snow.
I get 100 snow every time I do
Frosty's
this.
getting too big. Frosty's getting too big. He has too much snow.
Well, pretty soon I'm about to give oh, there's a present right here that gives you money. Give me that.
Oh my god. You already found. Okay, I'm gonna get it.
I already got it.
No, you got it.
I've been got it, my dude.
I wish you could zoom all the way in this game.
You can.
How come it doesn't let me?
I don't know. I can zoom all the way in. Maybe
Oh yeah, let me. It doesn't let me
that's weird.
for some reason.
Oh wait, join my group. I'm gonna make a group and I'm gonna invite you. So every mission that I do, you get money and I get money.
It literally restarted my quest. Oh, no. I don't want this. I can't do that.
Which one?
Literally restarted my quest.
It did?
It is?
I'm not doing this quest because...
Only you can start the quest.
Huh?
Only you can start the quest. That's not fair.
From the Black House. 200 from the Black House. Let me go do that.
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, we can help each other. I'm legit. Give me like legit 2 seconds and I'll get 200. Done.
2 seconds.
That's all I need.
Oh my god, that was...
You got money.
Okay, I got like... Yeah, I got... No,
This
I didn't
is-
get money.
Dude, this is the walkway. This is a walkway. The walkway, this is the walkway. What? Gather 100 snow.
Gather 100,000 snow from anywhere?
No, Sinjor.
Let's do teamwork.
No, Sinjor. No, I'm gonna cancel that.
I'm literally not even pressing my mouse. I'm literally not even pressing my mouse, and it's literally just shoveling.
Okay, we gotta go to the blue house.
This is
We gotta go to the blue house.
blue house. Okay,
Over here.
let's go. Shift.
I could do this quest legit 5 times.
This is actually pretty easy for
I
us.
know. They're done. You got
I
cash
actually got money from that one.
because you helped. Let's do another quest. No, I'm not doing this. Let me go cash in my snow.
Imagine there was a quest where you need to gather. Imagine there was a quest where you need to gather one.
Dude, go back to the blue house. Dude, we need to go back. We need to go back to the blue house.
Okay.
Hold on, let me
I
just...
wish I could get in your car.
Me too, it'd be cool. Let me just grab...
Diamond snow. That's good. So we found diamond snow.
There's diamond snow right here, you want it? Dude, get over here.
Dude.
Okay, let me just help.
Just help.
There,
So you can get...
done.
So we got monies. We got monies.
Imagine we get this...
Collect
Dude.
200 snow from the walkway of Blue House. On the Blue House again.
Hey, this is good, we don't have to... Okay, do you get money? Yeah, you got... Yeah, you did.
Yes.
Okay, red house.
Red house?
I know where it is. It's really close to Frosty. Let's go.
Right here. Right over
Wait,
there.
my car is starting. Hold up. Okay, there you go. Let's go.
So because you're literally getting snow while you're going.
I know. The driveway. Let's go. Cleaning crews here. There.
Okay, I got money because I was helping.
Okay. I don't even need to sell snow right now.
No, thank you.
No, St. George. Hold up, let me go sell my snow. Begin a quest from the blue house.
Blue House again?
You
Send
can
me a quest for Blue House.
you can go do that while I sell my snow.
Remove 400. I can't do that because I have 304.
Okay, guys, this will be the end of the video. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Yeah, this is the end. Bye.